Yo, what up everybody? SlyDemon here, and today I got some AirTag accessories from Apple. So here we have a 4-pack of the AirTags. What else do we got? Looks like we have a leather loop for luggage tag. And I have 2 Belkin keychains. One for like a backpack and then one for my keys, right? Okay, so let's get started and test everything out here. All right, let's open up the AirTags first. Is there an easy way? Yep, right here. It's got a little peel off and it pops right out. And you pull. All right, got the 4-pack here. Got 2 on each side. Stay tuned. All right, so what do we got here? We have the leather loop. Let's give it a go. See how it's made, how it works, right? Okay, so you put your AirTag inside. It doesn't have any wiggle room here. It's just like a little clip. So you have to twist it through this. And then it goes on like that. So this was on outside of your luggage check bag. Be very easy to remove for anybody. Just pull it up a little bit, flip it, and then send it out, and then your AirTag is gone off your luggage. So personally, I would recommend maybe throwing this inside of your luggage so it doesn't get stolen. Or if you're doing a carry-on bag, very safe to put it on the outside so it's there. But check bag, definitely put this leather loop inside. All right, let's check out the Belkin keychain. All right, Belkin does not have the cool pop-off like Apple. So let's get started from here. Ooh. Okay, so Belkin has a little different philosophy here. If I can even get this thing out. There we go. So Belkin's actually got, you put the air tag in, and then you actually smush it together so it gets locked in. Okay, pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, so we got that. So let's actually go ahead and set up these AirTags. So we got the loop. We got some trash. Turn on. Okay, so you gotta be sure Bluetooth is on your phone. So let's go ahead and peel this out and pull the tab. All right. Ooh, it makes a sound, so it's activated. So now we're going to put it next to my phone. All right, so I got it next to it. And we're going to connect. Should be quite simple. Okay, this one will be for luggage. So now let's go ahead and put it in this. All right, so we're going to break it open. Let's see, I'm going to say this is the front. So we'll slide in the AirTag right there. I guess we'll try to get it a little centered. Okay, and then clip it in place. All right, it's not going anywhere. And it is set up for luggage. All right. As you can tell, these things get scratched real easy. Okay, cool. There we go. For my keys. So what side looks like the front? Side that says Belkin? No. However, we'll set in there like this. Yep, the side with Belkin is the front. Let's go ahead and center it. And let's place the back piece on. Let's center it one more time. There we go. All right, that bad boy's not going anywhere. It is all clipped in. Now let's go ahead and put a keyring on it. Keyring's not the strongest keyring. All right, cool. Now let's throw this bad boy on the keyring. All right, there we go. It is on our keys now. Keys will be trackable via AirPad. Okay, cool. And we're also going to put this in here as well. These are great for traveling. They even make one you can put on your sunglasses, like a sunglass strap. Dude, it's sick. So when I'm at the beach, boom, where you go drinking, you always have your shit. Look at that. It's amazing. Okay, that one's all set up. And the last one I'm going to set for wallet, because my new wallet actually will be able to hold an AirTag. I will do a video about it tomorrow, so it's going to be sick. Pretty much just say push down and turn, pops it off. Standard CR032 battery. So watch batteries. So yeah, right there, right now. And to put it back on, line it up. Oops. Line them up. All right, and then there we go. And just turn it. And we're back in business. So yeah, quite easy. All right. Cool, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, follow, subscribe. Click the links, join the Discord, my game as well on Twitch. So can you please follow it all? Trying to get big here. So, yo, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reviews. Belkin key tags. I do like them. Plastic. But hey, it holds the thingy and it wasn't expensive. Luggage tag, on the other hand, carry-on luggage, cool, you could show it off. Check your luggage, easy to take off and remove, so somebody could just swipe this and steal this and leave it on the ground, steal your luggage, put it inside of your luggage. Okay, cool everybody. Thanks for watching.